5 seeds that outperform whey protein. After 60, your body only absorbs 55% of whey protein. Here's what actually works. The 5 seeds, hemp hearts, 98% absorption, 34% more effective than whey for muscle synthesis. Pumpkin seeds, 18% grip strength improvement. Loaded with magnesium and zinc. Flax seeds, 28% muscle building increase, plus hormonal balance. Black sesame, 47% protein synthesis. Boost, one study showed 3.7 pounds of lean muscle in 8 weeks. Chia seeds combined with turmeric and black pepper for 2,000% better absorption, or vitamin C fruits to activate. Omega-3 conversion, 40% less inflammation in 6 weeks. Cost $20 to $30 monthly versus your current $100 plus.